Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up Turbo VPN on Samsung Galaxy A16. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search, then select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue. And you can close this ad. Then click allow. And click consent. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.